In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter sales into QuickBooks Online 2026, step by step. We'll walk through creating a sales receipt, which is the right choice when you receive payment at the same time you provide a product or service. Follow along on your own screen, and I'll call out what to click and why it matters. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From the top menu, or left navigation, go to Sales and Get Paid. Then open Sales Transactions. This takes you to the hub where all customer payments and sales activity live. Click New Transaction and choose Sales Receipt. QuickBooks will open a clean form designed to capture everything about a paid sale. At the top of the form, select the customer. Using the correct customer profile helps keep history, contact details, and reporting accurate. Add the customer's email if you want a copy of the receipt ready to send. You can still save without sending. Check the billing address and make sure it's correct for your records and any receipts. Set the sales receipt date to the actual payment date. This matters for your books and for revenue reporting. Choose the payment method, such as cash, check, or card, so your payment reports stay clear. If you have a check number, POS reference, or approval code, enter it in the reference number field. Next, use Deposit To tell QuickBooks where the money goes. Pick the specific bank account if this payment was deposited alone, or choose undeposited funds if you collect multiple payments and plan to group them into one bank deposit later. That choice helps your bank reconciliation match exactly. Now add the line details. Enter the service date to show when the work was performed or the item was delivered. Select the product/service from your list so income is tracked to the right account. Use the description field to include details your customer or your future self will appreciate. Enter the QTY and the rate. QuickBooks will calculate the amount automatically, but you can adjust it if needed. Add additional lines if the sale includes more than one item or service. Before you finish, review the subtotal. Make sure quantities, rates, and amounts are correct and confirm the customer, date, payment method, and deposit account all look right. When everything is accurate, click Save. Your sale is now recorded, your income is updated, and the payment is ready to match with your bank feed or deposit workflow. That's it. Use a sales receipt when you're paid immediately. Use an invoice when you'll be paid later. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your books clean and current.